today we've got two wall lights not working. They've been previously installed. We're going to be fault finding to find out what's happened. With any electrical installation, safety is paramount. So the first thing you need to do is turn off the electricity and work safely. Okay, how to identify the switch. So you know that your light switch is working. One of them is not connected and you want to know if the other side's getting power, you just do a test and just ensure that there's power on that circuit. So when you finish putting up the light, you know that you've got power there. There's no issue with the actual connection on the first light, the extension box.
Always ensure that you turn off the electricity supply before exposing any live connections. If you are unsure about working with electricity, then please consult a registered electrician.
So we've got this lovely wall light here. And we're going to ensure that the connections are tight. It was previously installed, working nicely, but the cables have come out. A little bit loose on the wall as well, so that could be the problem with the weight. Alright. Everything's moved properly. I guess if I take this one off, it's probably gone too far. Not necessarily. These connector blocks are a bit weak. Yep. Weak. It's going to come off again. It's holding. Sometimes this heat proof gets in the way. So you think you've actually screwed it, but you haven't. The little tip is just to pull it back and hold it when you thread the cable. And then you make sure that you haven't bitten on the actual sleeve. All right. The bulb, I'm going to test it to make sure it works. You reckon? Let's turn it on. There you go. So that's working now. And this is the light switch. Phillips screwdriver there. Okay. That's it. There.
Wow.
There you go. Working as it should be. All right. This is the second light fixture. And we've got 2 arches now. We turn on the electricity. Okay, so as you can see, the light's working. That's how you install wall lights. Okay, so we've got one more happy customer, one more installation. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.